By investing in the Red Dot Income Fund, you are joining an elite group that uses combat theory, psychological warfare, and guerrilla marketing tactics. It takes passion, talent, and capital to build great ideas. I strongly believe that we're bringing the first two in spades, in addition to our own capital. But in order for this to really work, I need your help. The options below note the two ways that you can enter this fund, as a debt investor or equity investor. Debt investors lending money to the fund will be issued notes and become note holders. This secured interest will be in senior position, with some exceptions, which will be explained in greater detail in another video. Note holders will be issued notes at interest rates depending on the investment amount and maturity of the note. The fund has multiple tiers of rates depending on the amount of money lent by the note holder and the duration of the maturity date. Interest to note holders is paid monthly. Equity investors purchasing ownership shares in the fund will be issued membership units and become members. Subject to the performance of the fund and after paying the management fee to the manager and interest to the note holders, members will receive a preferred return of 8%, paid monthly. Quarterly, members will also share in any excess distributable cash, or EDC, prorated to their respective ownership interest. Based on comprehensive financial modeling performed by the manager, the projected overall return to members is estimated between 10 and 13%. However, important to note, these returns are not guaranteed.